are no limits. My name is Orsi, aka Rocky, and welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. When I started to sing, my vocal range was about 1.5 octave. Now it's almost 4.
Because you're mine, I walk the wanna be loved. This is the lesson learned. Just let your soul out.
Until this day, I'm still growing my voice and improving my voice. And it's not because I would need 5 octaves, it's not about it. It's about there are no limits in growing or in improving or in learning something. There are no top.
It's too darn high. I've felt this way before, so insecure.
I've been teaching and coaching about 20 years now, and I'm very, very passionate about the human voice and what we can do with it. To me, the most important thing is putting quality in whatever you do, in whatever you sing. Doesn't matter what genre it is, whether if it's opera or death metal. And when you recognize the quality in something you do, it's huge difference.
Hey, hey! Sabotage! Listen, I got it to sabotage!
This is what a voice training is about. You can actually strengthen your voice. You can change the sound of your voice. You can extend your vocal range. That's why we do the exercises.